Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to enable gesture navigation on Samsung M35 device. Well, gesture navigation can improve accessibility for users with physical limitation or dexterity challenges by providing alternative navigations that are easier to perform than traditional button presses. And also, enabling gesture navigation enhances accessibility for a wider range of users. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. To begin, access the settings menu on your device. Okay, next select the display option. So scroll down the page and tap on the navigation bar menu. Okay, within the settings, activate the swipe gesture option to enable gesture-based navigation. Well, once activated, you can utilize the swipe gesture as follows. Okay, to navigate to the home screen, swipe up from the bottom of the screen. And for switching between apps, swipe up from the bottom, hold briefly, then release. Okay, so lastly, to go back, swipe from either the left or right edge of the screen. Well, this swipe gesture provides an intuitive and efficient way to navigate through your device interface with ease. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to enable gesture navigation on Samsung M35 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.